Hey guys, what's going on? Look at what I bring you guys today. I bring you guys a 2010 F250. It's a beautiful truck, brand new engine with 2,000 miles on it. So let's go ahead and give you guys a quick walk around of this truck. Truck is fully deleted. Got virtually brand new tires, Toyos, all the way around. As you can see, this truck is in great shape. Got one little ding right here in the upper part of the fender. But as you can see, the rest of the truck is in great shape. Like I said, this engine's got 2,000 miles on it. 150,000 mile truck. Guys, take a look inside the truck. See, the truck is in extremely nice shape. Leather's in great shape. Got 150, 784. Got the navigation on it. It's got your power seats. It's got your heated seats right there. Got your back seat here. You got the entertainment system right there. Got the aftermarket black Rhino wheels. Virtually got all brand new Toyota open country tires. You can see, nice and meaty. Go around and look at the truck again, quick in the front. You can see everything is in great shape on this truck, super clean. Everything works as it should. Not one of these beat up trucks that you see out there. Like I said, this truck is in great shape. Guys, another walk around the truck. I'll go take a look underneath the hood real quick. So the engine's only got 2,000 miles on it, fully deleted. No leaks. When the engine was out of the truck, both turbos were rebuilt. It's got a new high pressure injection pump in it. Super clean truck. Runs great. Thank you.